Okay, so we're going to look at the exploratory challenge, lesson 19. This is the last one. Dun, 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 dun. Done another module. That means it's time for end of the module test. And you're like, no, but it's fine. You guys know what you're doing. So right now what we're going to do is we're going to look at the length of a line segment, the distance between its endpoints. Kind of like yesterday's lesson, but we've got a little bit more to it, especially with question number 2. But we're going to locate and label 4, 5. So remember, X comes first, then Y. They're both positive, so we're going to be in quadrant 1. So we're going to go over 1, 2, 3, 4, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plot our dot. So that is represented as 4 or 5. Did that. Now I'm going to look for 4, negative 3. So that's over to the 4 positive, negative, and positive 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to go down 3. 1, 2, 3. So now draw the line segment between the two endpoints. Well, it's nice because we've got a nice straight line we can follow. And this is how long is the line segment that you drew. So a lot of kids literally just count the jumps. And what I mean by counting the jumps is I'm going to take a pencil and show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How long is the line segment? 8 units. How? Explain. You counted. Another way to look at it is the absolute value. So this right here is 3 jumps in the negative, which equals 3. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jumps in the positive, which equals 5. So together, 5 and 3 make 8. Another way of looking at that. So explanation could be using absolute value. Then you could just show what we put here as your explanation. So you could put 5 plus absolute value number 3 equals 8. Okay, so now I'm going to get rid of all of this because we're going to use everything else, I think, on this one. So draw a horizontal line segment starting at 4, negative 3, right here, that has a length of 9 units. What are the possible coordinates of the other endpoint? Okay, so I'm going to get rid of everything except for that. You have a pencil, you could switch to a pen here, you could switch to a colored pencil so you could show the difference because you'll have the drawing from this one. So draw a horizontal, remember horizontal, straight across like that. That has a length of 9 units. So a length of 9 units, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it says, what are the possible coordinates of the other endpoints of the line segment? There is more than one answer. So we found this one, which is negative 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 5, negative 3. We found that one. Notice how the y values are the same because you stayed horizontally. That's a possible one. Well, who's to say we can't go horizontal this way? We just ran out of graph paper. But technically, we could go from here and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and have this point over here if the graph paper was bigger, right? So this was already 1, 2, 3, positive 4. So positive 4, positive 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's just check. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. So that's at the 4 right now. So 4. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, negative 3. And some kids have already noticed. Absolute value of a 4, absolute value of a 5 makes the 9 that we needed. Also, absolute value of a 4, absolute value of a 9 will make 13. So those are a couple of points that you could find. Sometimes it'll ask you to find vertical points, horizontal. Just got to read carefully, because if you can do everything they ask, then you know what you're doing. And as always, this is Mrs. Bobby. We are done Module 3, and I love math. And it's truly Christmas Eve right now for me, and I'm still doing math, so I must really love it. All right, have a great day. Bye.